I hear the train a-coming. It's rolling around the bend. And I ain't seen.
Family, welcome back to Mitchel Commentaries. Today we are talking about something serious, something that has everyone across the Caribbean on edge. Hurricane Melissa. From Jamaica to Trinidad, the entire region is watching this storm carefully. But this isn't just a story about destruction. It's a story about strength, community, and the unbreakable spirit of Caribbean people. So, if you are watching from anywhere in the islands, stay tuned, drop your flag in the comments, and let's talk about how this storm is testing our resilience once again.
Oh, the blood clot, you see to me. Watch it. Come down, right down. Come right, blood clot. Yo, you're tripping, you know. You will leave me and take off today, you know. In turn stripper to blood clot. Where dollar bill them? Alright, remove them and bring them back up to Bull Run.
Top of Atlas Mountain overlooking Kingston, Jamaica, with Hurricane Melissa on her way. We have a light rain, a little bit of wind, lots of clouds, lots of fog. We're getting ready to take this storm head on. It's supposed to be hitting right at Kingston.
No, dog. Cause they look dark. No, I'm so scared. No, what going? This can't safe. This cannot be safe. Could never be safe. Could never be safe. What go on, charge it? My blood fire. Kingston, boating for wash out to the blood clot. You know? Blood clot.
Y'all made it to the island. Hurricane Melissa is acting up, but the girl is still outside. Let me show you the water. No, not the front of Hurricane Melissa that took my damn wig.
Jamaica people, good morning. Imagine morning a light out good yet, just after 6. And look the condition of the corporate area, Cuba halfway tree everywhere flood out. I remember say Hurricane Melissa no reach ya yet. What a shame and disgrace in the Jamaica Labour Party, Imagine me reach out to my councillor this morning. My councillor say no money no did there. The Jamaica Labour Party, Desmond Mackenzie, we control local government, have not dispersed the funds to give the local authorities. The municipal corporations have been stifled under this Jamaica Labour Party government. Can you imagine? The hurricane reach yet, and go halfway tree. Look the condition of our corporate area, Jamaica. What a shame and disgrace in Jamaica.
Hey guys, so the situation in Haiti is very devastating, as you can see here. They're having flash floods, landslide, At least 3 people have been killed already in the storm. And this is just the beginning of Hurricane Melissa. It's hitting Haiti, DR, Jamaica, and the Bahamas. I think quite a few countries or islands in the Caribbean. I feel so bad for these people. Every year they have to go through this. I can't imagine. Please pray for them and keep all these people in your thoughts. Look at the streets. It's so flooded. I can't imagine living in a situation like this. Storms have been crazy this year.
Look at. Could water like wait there. We start flood out. Jesus Savior. Me gone pan TikTok you know. Mr. Politician. Money gone arts well and donuts. No anarchs, roses and lions. See it there? See Pampy on the right though, sir? See over Pampy there? Bye, yeah. Lord, see on. Put on. I never see this in a sunlight street before. Sit down on house over there, sir. All over the serve water. As you can see. The bloody sausage pot. See round the back, yeah? See, me never a long time I not see round here so flood, sir.
Así es República Dominicana. Así es el sol, así es la playa. Así es mi gente. Donde la tormenta se goza.
Let's start with Jamaica. Because for many Jamaicans, Hurricane Melissa has already made its presence felt. Heavy rainfall, flooding in low-lying areas, strong winds that uprooted trees and damaged rooftops. Communities in St. Mary, Portland, and St. Anne are feeling it the most. You can see people capturing videos. Water rushing through streets, vehicles stranded, and families huddled together trying to stay safe. Yet in the middle of that, the Jamaican spirit shines bright. People still finding moments to laugh, neighbors checking on each other, men out with machetes clearing fallen trees from the road. That's the kind of resilience that defines the Jamaicans. Government officials have been issuing warnings, shelters are open, and emergency services are working around the clock. But what's more powerful than any official response is the unity of the people. Now Melissa hasn't stopped with Jamaica. She is moving slowly but powerfully, affecting the entire Caribbean belt. From Haiti and Cuba to the Cayman Islands and even down to Trinidad and Tobago. Everyone is feeling the effects in one way or another. Flights grounded, school closed, power cuts, the kind of chain reaction we know all too well during hurricane season. But through it all, the message is the same across every island. Stay safe, stay alert, stay together. And what's truly beautiful, seeing Caribbean people unite across borders. You go on social media and see Trinidadians saying prayers for Jamaica. Social media right now is full of emotions. People are praying and sharing videos and spreading awareness. One comment said, "We can rebuild houses, but not lives. Protect your family first." Another said, "God bless the Caribbean. We are stronger together." You can feel the unity in every post. Even diaspora communities, Jamaicans, Trinidadians, Belgians living in the US, UK, and Canada, are sending love and support, checking on relatives and sharing helpline numbers. That's the power of connection. Even if you are miles away, your heart is still home. Let's talk about the human side of this storm. It's not just numbers or satellite images. It's real people. Mothers protecting children, families packing what they can carry, elders praying in candlelight as the wind howls outside. I saw one clip where a man in Jamaica said, "We have been through worse and we will rise again." And that hit me because that is exactly what the Caribbean does. They rise again and again. It doesn't matter if it's hurricanes, earthquakes, or even tough economies. Caribbean people have a strength that you can't measure in wind speed. It's cultural, it's spiritual, it's unshakable. So as we continue to watch Hurricane Melissa's path, let's remember that preparedness and unity saves life. If you are watching from a country that is next in line, don't take it lightly. Charge your devices, stock up on water, and stay indoors when the time comes. And if you are in a safer area, reach out and help someone else. Because when one island hurts, we all feel it. We might be divided by sea, but we are united by heart. To everyone watching, drop your flag in the comments. Let's send prayers and love to our brothers and sisters across the Caribbean. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe because here we talk about real stories that matters to our people. Stay safe, stay strong, and never forget we are one Caribbean, many islands, one family. Bless up, and I will see you in the next one.